going on, guys? We're down here at Brewer Speed and Racing. Got the LS3 Camaro, strapping it to the dyno right now. We're gonna see what it makes. We had a pretty good trip down here. The only thing that's gonna probably suck today is the humidity is insanely high. It's like what, 1.3 million, 204%, something like that.
1,000 degrees.
Yes. And
welcome to Georgia.
you know, the DA is not very good today, but we'll see what happens. I'm not trying to make excuses, but the DA is bad today. It's like 2,000 or something. So anyway, so we're gonna start getting it ready for the dyno, and so you guys stay tuned. We'll see you in a few. It already sounds better. Jeff said he's done, man. We can just go.
You ain't gotta take it off the trailer.
Yeah, we're good. Appreciate it, man. Hell, we could have remote tuned that.
That's a full thing. What muffler is on it? I don't know. Whatever came with it kid. What kid is it? One of those cheap DNA kids.
It sounds good though.
Oh, don't look at it. You killed it. What's wrong?
Jeff's the only one that can drive around here. Hey, you can still smell the headers burning off.
Yeah, the idle's up about 1,000 now.
Yeah, he bumped it up, I'm sure.
We got the SS on the dyno. They're strapping it down, getting it ready. We'll see what kind of power she puts down here shortly. I'm really excited. I'm the owner, by the way, so my car. You see what all the money I spent, if it went to good use or if it's just another regular Camaro, we'll have to see. But man, if y'all have the opportunity to come see Jeff, man, this guy does some amazing work on these cars. So definitely come out and check him out if you're in the Columbus area or even close to Columbus, Georgia. Come check him out. But we'll be back in just a few minutes. We're strapping it up, getting it ready. Do a couple pulls here in a few minutes.
Let's see what it did on the second pull. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. Jeff, Father Timon. This is Father Timon. Sound pretty good, don't it?
Oh yeah. It's just we're gonna have a hard time and then
This is
in our DA, 2457.
ooh, 2457.
I mean, it's got more in it. It's just
Can't you compensate for that?
I can make it say whatever you want it to say.
Well, no, we don't want it to say whatever. We wanted to say what it, you know, the DA that it did last time.
Oh yeah.
We need a fair comparison.
Yeah, I don't remember what happened.
It was negative.
Come back here.
Wasn't it like negative 400 or something?
Yeah, it was negative.
Yeah, it was like January last time.
Oh yeah, that's when you
Yeah.
we'll make up for that.
Yeah, that's
Sparks are out, just need to blend it out.
Let's see what we got on the third pull. Alright. I saw you raise your eyebrow. I thought it was going to be impressive.
I'll just go for 500, dude.
Yeah, it made more than 500. Welcome to the 500 club.
Look at
Yeah, that thing levels out nice up there. Hey, Jeff, we're going to need that blue line to be up here, okay?
Okay. We're running puffers on this thing.
Yeah, we need the blue line to just go straight up to 600 and just crawl across the top. So just,
Hey, that's right off that
yeah, just throw some timing in there, you know. Magic spirit fingers.
Yeah.
I think you got this, Jeff.
So what did what we got with the 500 point something, so I'm already a horsepower above him in this. So it's better when you 4 wheels.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, bad DA. We're probably down, what, 20, 25?
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah. That's what I would estimate, about 25. That's even higher than I thought, yeah. I thought it was around 2,000. You said it was 24. Jesus. But what's crazy is it feels like it's cooling off outside.
Well, yeah, but still, it's just how much work is in the air.
Yeah.
I mean, we could stick around to about 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't got
Come
shit
back
to
in
do.
November.
It's still 20
Man.
I mean, you got 78%.
Yeah. That's what I said out there. I said it was like 1.5 million, 304,212% humidity. Huh? Yeah.
So, during the good times,
That's pretty bad.
you can imagine it's cool.
Yeah.
Everything else is running good. That's starter.
Yeah.
I gotta get that shit. Yeah, no.
Apparently all the parts were back ordered because he tried to order a kit for
Oh,
it.
yeah.
We were going just going to
back order.
we were just going to pull it out and go ahead and do the synchros and throw that what was that clutch you were going to get?
The spec,
Or
or no, a Hexeti.
yeah, Exity. We didn't get a chance to do it because the synchros were back ordered. So
Yeah.
what do you think, man?
It's pretty good.
I love the enthusiasm.
It's just 500. You know?
Yeah,
Thousands the new 500 now. So.
you got a point.
I think the question everybody wants to know is, will it do a burnout?
Let's see. I think it will. I think it will. daylight here.
Jesus Christ. Bye-bye new tires.
He'll probably rip it coming back too.
Damn. Now I gotta buy new tires again.
Hey, I can already tell you these are my burnouts from the last time I was here. See these right here? That's mine.
Boy, oh boy.
The one burnout that worked. Anybody watch the dyno video, they know what's up.
Oh boy. Man, I better come see these guys down here. No lie. Definitely go see Rev Hard Garage on Brandon Barlow.
Yeah, that's right.
Shout out.
Got it done one night.
Yeah, man, like, what, 13, 14 hours?
I don't make people wait. It might take a while to get you in the shop, but when you drop your car off, it gets done.
We're going to get it right. I hear it coming back. Well, I thought it did.
You went somewhere.
Pretty fast, too.
You should have heard when he come back in my Trailblazer. He was laid into it on that straightaway. That thing sounded like a monster. That didn't take years. I'm surprised how loud it is considering it's covered up.
There it is. I hear it now. Jesus Christ.
Dude, that thing is... got the pop and bang tune in there.
Yeah!
Get it up! Sounds like you did all right. Yeah.
Just started to go for second, but now I remember to synchronize. I was like,
Yeah, that was probably a good idea. Actually, at first, I thought you started out in second. And when you rolled out of it, it looked like it had some wheel speed going. I wasn't sure.
it had a little bit of wheel speed.
Yeah.
The spectators on the other end kind of backed up.
Oh yeah, everybody got ready for that. They already They already know the deal. I wasn't expecting that.
Me either. I was like, well, he's coming on around.
Yeah, I got back a little bit. I think it was actually on camera though.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he wanted to rodeo around us, but I was like, oh, no.
Somehow he got in second, Jeff.
Yeah, he did. Well, I did on the way back.
Yeah. I don't know how he did it though. Anyway, go ahead.
Oh, I hit a good get. But yeah, if they want to get a hold of me, you know, Facebook is Tuning by Jeff. 404-245-7312. And just hit me up.
Awesome. Well, we do appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah.
You're my go-to.
Yes, sir.
I don't even think about anybody else.
Who?
Exactly. All right, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, buddy.